Hello, welcome to Make Baby Headband with Anjurisa. In this video, I will show you how to make this baby headband from the beginning to the end. If you love anything about baby headband, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. First, I will start from the mini fabric flower. This is the template that I use to make the mini fabric flower. The size is about 1.5 inches. I'm going to cut the fabric into this petal shape using a soldering iron. If you want to know which fabric can be used, you can click the link here. Place the fabric on a ceramic tile and place the template. Heat up a soldering iron and start cutting. Cut 5 pieces. And burn the fabric to curl the petals. Like this. Prepare needle and thread to sew some beads and rhinestone. Lay 4 pieces. And stitch to secure. Now take the last piece and embellish the flower using some beads and rhinestone. Next, I will make the tulle fabric flower. This is the template that I use. The size is about 1.5 inches. You can use any shape to make this tulle fabric flower. Again, I'm using a soldering iron to cut this tulle fabric into this flower shape. As you can see, the shape is very nice. Make 14 pieces and lay 2 pieces like this. Now I will show you how to assemble this. This is for the bottom layer. And now I will make the top layer using 6 pieces of the tulle fabric. Attach them together. And embellish the flower using stamen. I like to use 2 contrasting colors. Finish the back side of the flower. You can see this. We will cover this later. Next, I will show you how to make the ruffle fabric flower. Prepare a random pointed petal shape like this. Draw the petal shape to form the template. And this is how I draw the template. You can see the size of my template here, about 1 inch for each petal, with 7 inches long. And 1 inch for the width. Cut the template using a soldering iron. I really love this tool because we can cut and seal the fabric at the same time, so the fabric won't fray. Make 8 pieces and prepare needle and thread. I will use 3 pieces for the top layer of the ruffle flower. Stitch to the first piece to join the fabric. For the bottom layer of the ruffle flower, I will use the remaining 5 pieces. Stitch this to the first piece again to form a circle. Attach the fabrics together. Now you can embellish the flower with anything you like. I will attach the tulle flower and the mini fabric flower. I will cover this using the other flower. And I will attach the ruffle fabric flower. Prepare stamen. I will take this off and cut the stamen using pliers. And attach it here. Next, I will make the frilly flower. This is my template, and the size is about 2.5 inches. I'm using a soldering iron to cut the fabric. This is my favorite tool to make fabric flowers. Cut 5 pieces. Arrange the frilly flower. Prepare a piece of lace and attach it here. Next, attach the frilly flower. Prepare a piece of felt fabric to finish the back side of the baby headband. Prepare an elastic band for our baby headband. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.